Hello, Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today, in our handloom saree stories series, we are going to be looking at South silk cottons. Silk cotton sarees have a special place in the wardrobe of any woman, and silk cotton sarees are characterized by their comfort because of the cotton, the beautiful drape because of the silk, and the overall shimmer which a silk cotton gives is unmatched, which is why silk cotton sarees are popular throughout the country in different forms. In the north, for example, the Maheshwari silk cotton saree is very popular. Similarly, there is a Chanderi silk cotton. Now, similarly, in the south, there is a variety of silk cotton sarees which is very popular, and each region in the south has got its own speciality. There are silk cotton sarees from Coimbatore which are looking very different. There are silk cotton sarees from Salem, there are silk cotton sarees from Bangalore, and there are silk cotton sarees from Hyderabad. Today, we are going to be looking at Avishya's collection of beautiful South silk cottons. Now, let's look at this beautiful, lovely South silk cotton from Tamil Nadu. I'll just open out the saree for you. Gorgeous, wonderful elephant grey, and on that elephant grey background, the motifs, the silver zari motifs and the copper zari motifs are looking stunning. The color combination is really elegant, and pattern, the weaving is very tastefully and very exquisitely done. It's got a very small edging. Border is almost very tiny border, copper zari border. So it makes it almost like a borderless saree, but it's got a border, lovely copper border. Let's flip this around and see what the pallu looks like. Yes, beautiful, lovely, stunning pallu, gorgeous, because on the elephant grey background, you have a beautiful pattern, vertical patterns, zigzag patterns, and there are floral motifs in copper zari. It's stunning and it's really grand. Overall, the impact of the pallu and the body together is really beautiful, and the motifs are simple but very elegant. The floral motifs, the polka dots, the zigzag patterns, all of this combine well with the body of the saree to give a very impactful, very tasteful look. Let's see what the blouse of the saree looks like. Yes, beautiful, lovely, beautiful elephant grey, plain elephant grey blouse, which goes very well with the saree. And this is how the whole thing is planned together. The body of the saree, the pallu and the blouse, they go beautifully together and it's very well coordinated. The color combinations are super. It's elegant and very rich looking. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you like the saree. And for those of you who like this videos, please do hit the like button and the subscribe button. We keep uploading these videos almost 2 a week of all the collections that we have. I'm sure if you are a person who enjoys Avishya's lovely collections of sarees and handloom sarees, you'll be getting a constant feed of the beautiful collections that we introduce. Now, let's look at this grand, beautiful, rich, dark maroon and copper zari saree. Wonderful. The combination of the dark maroon background with the lovely diamond motifs and copper zari looks stunning. I'll open out the whole body for you. Beautiful, gorgeous, very elegant, very stunning. It's very minimal, but it's very impactful because the color, the dark maroon, is really gorgeous. And if you come closer, actually you can see that there is a lovely jacquard weave which runs throughout the saree from top to bottom. Beautiful floral motifs, vertical floral motifs which are running from top to bottom, which makes it look very elegant along with the diamond copper saree motif. It looks very nice, very stylishly designed. And on top and bottom, there is a very thin border, beautiful border. It's not borderless, it's got a lovely thin border. And floral motifs again in copper saree, very elegant. The borders, the diamond motifs and the background jacquards, beautiful tiny little motifs in jacquard, make it very elegant. Let's see what the pallu of the saree looks like. Gorgeous, fantastic. The pallu's got beautiful floral motifs, and actually the background of the pallu is green. So you are getting a lovely set off against the beautiful copper zari. The copper zari floral very densely woven, very close together, very tight. It looks almost like a copper metal plate with engraving. That's how the pallu looks, and it looks very stunning. And the contrast green in the background is very nice. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Yes, I'm sure you must have guessed it by now because of the background color. The blouse is a beautiful, lovely green. It's almost a bottle green, slightly lighter, somewhere between a forest green and a bottle green. It's beautiful, and it goes very well along with the body of the saree. If you see it together, the body and it contrasts very nicely with the body of the saree, and of course the pallu. So all three of them work very nicely together. It's a very special South silk cotton saree from Tamil Nadu, and it's dark maroon with the beautiful pallu in copper and the blouse in this beautiful bottle green or forest green color. All three work very well together to make a very, very impactful and stunning saree. I hope you like this saree and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button because we keep uploading videos of all the collections which are coming in newly to our store and to the website. So you will get alerts whenever a new saree comes in, a new collection comes in, you'll get an alert. And I'm sure you want to stay in touch. So please hit the like and the subscribe button. Now let's look at this beautiful aqua green South silk cotton saree. Wow, it's got beautiful motifs in a color which seems like a mauvish copper color, the zari. It's really, really special. The color is very special and of course the motifs are beautiful, lovely heart-shaped motifs and floral motifs in the body. I'll just open it out for you. Let's see the whole thing together. Wow, it looks really pretty, really pretty. And the color of the zari is something which is sensational. It's got in different angles. It looks purple, it looks violet, it looks pink, and it's got shades of copper. It's a really beautifully designed zari and lifts the entire saree, and the aqua green background gives it a fabulous platform to show off this beautiful color of zari. Let's see what the pallu looks like. I'll just open it out for you. Wow, gorgeous, fantastic. So pallu has actually taken off from the zari color. So it's a beautiful purplish pink pallu with lovely floral motifs, floral and fern motifs. It's really, really nice. There's a series of tall ferns at the end of which there is a floral motif which looks almost like a rosette. It's lovely. And there are lovely, beautiful grey color floral motifs in the bottom as well. So overall, the impact is really, really nice. The background is a very dark grey, which goes very nicely with the aqua green. Let's take a look at the blouse of the saree. Yes, beautiful, lovely. The blouse is again the same color pattern is followed. It's a lovely purplish pink zari, which goes fantastically along with the body, the aqua green body, with the same hue of purplish pink in the booties. So it goes beautifully together. And of course, the pallu we just saw. So all three of them go very, very nicely together. The body, the pallu, and the blouse. So they go very, very nicely together. It's a very stylish saree and the way the designer has contrasted the colors is very stunning. The aqua green with this purplish pink and the dark grey is a very, very elegant and stunning combination. I hope you like this saree and I hope you enjoyed this video. And for those of you who want to take a closer look at this saree, please come over to the Avishya store. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be happy to show you our entire collection. We have a fabulous collection of South silk cottons. I'm sure you'll really enjoy yourself coming and taking a look at each one of them. And we'll be happy to show it to you. For those of you who don't live in Chennai, who want to take a closer look, please log into avishya.com, our website, and we have the entire collection of South silk cottons there for you. You can at your leisure, browse at your leisure and pick up one that suits you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button because we keep uploading videos of all the collections which are coming in newly to our store and to the website. So you'll get alerts whenever a new saree comes in, a new collection comes in, you'll get an alert. And I'm sure you want to stay in touch. So please hit the like and the subscribe button. This month, there's a special offer we are rolling out. The month of RD is here and the RD offer is being rolled out this month. This awesome RD offer from Avishya entitles you to discounts starting from 5% all the way up to 30%. It's available. So please go online or come to the store and avail of this special RD sale offer. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.